videos I just showed you? Yeah, they all came from a completely free AI platform. And guess what? It now supports Grok 4.5 and Seedance 2.0. Mind you, this platform literally just came into the spotlight and most people still have no idea it exists yet. Before we begin, welcome back to Spark AI, the channel where we explore the craziest AI tools, hidden gems, and everything blowing up in the AI world right now. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because you seriously don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let me show you why this AI is dominating right now. We're talking insane image quality, fast video generation, powerful prompts, cinematic results, and tools that compete with paid platforms. Completely free. People are already creating viral TikToks, YouTube shorts, AI edits, animations, and realistic visuals using this platform alone. And the scary part? Most creators still haven't caught on yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how to access the best models, and how you can start creating insane AI content for free before everybody else jumps on it. Doing things in here is quite easy, very easy to use interface with just a few ads. And right here, you don't have to log in or sign up because generation is unlimited. At the top, you have options like all AI tools, Veo 3.1, photo to video, text to speech, all video generators, all image generators, and then blog. First of all, what we do here is click on all video generators. Then we see a lot of generators available, and all of them are accessible for free. Tools like Video Transcriber, Seedance 2.0 Video Generator, Grok AI Video Generator, AI Video Generator from Text, AI Video Generator from Image, AI Animation Generator, YouTube and TikTok Generator, etc. First, we try Seedance 2.0. Click on See More, and we are brought to this interface. We go to ChatGPT, copy a prompt, come back and paste it. Click Settings, switch to Landscape, choose the amount of videos we want, and click Generate. We wait a few seconds and the video is ready. No credits taken, unlimited. Now let's try another generator, Grok. We click See More, and it brings us to the same interface, but this time it's Grok. We copy a prompt from ChatGPT, go back and paste it. We do the settings, pick Grok 4.5 and Landscape, then we generate. We wait a few seconds and we have our video. Now let's test image generation and image to video generation, shall we? We click on all image generators and select Nano Banana. We copy a prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, then click Generate. We wait a few seconds and the photos are ready. Now we download this image and head over to Photo to Video. We add our intro image that we downloaded a few moments ago and add a prompt. An ancient man holding a staff walking by. Then we generate. Wait a few seconds and there we have it. Clean and wonderful. Very realistic looking too. This platform is absolutely 100% free and can create multiple videos with the right prompts. Well, that's what I have for you today. Do well to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Check out my other videos too. There are other free tools I found and taught how to use.